Hello, and welcome to History Mosaic. Today, we will dive into the grand and intricate world of the Middle Ages. The Middle Ages were a period of many innovations in warfare technology and strategies. This video will provide a detailed examination of medieval weapons, armor, and combat tools. Each item was designed to protect warriors and help them defeat their enemies. If you're ready, let's explore the dark yet fascinating world of the Middle Ages. Section 1. Armor. Armor was central to medieval warfare, providing warriors with both physical and psychological protection. In this section, we will explore the evolution and various types of armor. Mail armor. Early medieval armor consisted of mail, which featured metal rings linked together. This armor provided flexibility while being highly durable. The origins of mail armor trace back to Roman times, but became more widespread during the Middle Ages. It was commonly used as body armor and coifs. Plate armor. Starting in the 13th century, plate armor gained popularity. These armors were made from metal plates designed to protect the entire body. Plate armor offered enhanced protection but could restrict movement. Knights were especially associated with this type of armor. Full armor. By the 15th century, full metal armor had further evolved. This armor included metal pieces protecting the torso, arms, legs, and head. Typically made from steel, it featured a complex design with various components. Full armor was considered both a protective and a prestigious symbol. Helmets. Helmets were used to protect the head. Different types of helmets were designed based on the needs of the warrior. For example, bassinet and great helm helmets provided both protection and visual impact on the battlefield. Tabard and surcoat. Worn over the armor, tabards or surcoats displayed the knight's coat of arms and colors. These garments were used to identify warriors and recognize enemies. Section 2. Weapons. Medieval warriors were equipped with a range of weapons that influenced both the physical and strategic aspects of warfare. Let's examine these weapons in detail. Swords. Swords were among the most fundamental and common weapons of the Middle Ages. Double-edged swords were used for both cutting and thrusting. Long swords were effective on the battlefield due to their ability to both strike and cut. Maces were larger and heavier than swords and had the capability to penetrate armor. Spears. Spears were used by both infantry and cavalry. Their long, slender, and sharp tips made a significant impact on enemies. Lances, designed specifically for mounted combat, were effective in both tournaments and battles. They had the ability to penetrate armor and enhance the mobility of the warrior. Axes. Axes were heavy weapons known for their ability to penetrate armor. They came in various types but were generally used to deliver powerful and forceful blows. Medieval axes were effective both for warriors and in sieging fortresses. Mace. The mace is a weapon with a metal head attached to a handle. Its head was designed to penetrate armor and break bones. The mace was a blunt weapon that could cause significant damage to armor. Section 3. Siege weapons and combat tools. Siege weapons and combat tools greatly influenced the strategic aspects of medieval warfare. In this section, we will look at some key siege weapons and combat tools. Trebuchet. The trebuchet was a siege weapon capable of hurling stones and other heavy loads over great distances. Its height and size allowed it to cause substantial damage to castle walls. Trebuchets were used to launch both stones and incendiary materials. Onager. The onager was another siege weapon used to throw stones. Known for its high impact with low technological complexity, the onager used a large spring to hurl stones. Siege towers. Siege towers were large structures used to scale castle walls and provide access to the fortress. These advancing towers allowed warriors to overcome walls and enter the castle. Walls and defensive structures. Castles were surrounded by walls that provided protection against enemy attacks. These walls created a large defensive barrier around the castle, preventing enemies from breaching the defenses. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video.